On November 30th, Skagit County's CARES Act funding ended, leaving them with just enough money to keep their county-run COVID testing site open through December.
So we're at a point this month where our test site operations and other things that have been supported by CARES are being supported by other funding sources.
They've pulled funding from other areas to keep it running through March or April, but after that, the future of the county's test site is up in the air.
You know, when we passed the CARES Act, there was some assumption that we would be farther along in the pandemic than we are.
The CARES Act was passed in March with a spending deadline of December 31st. Now, as we're weeks away from that deadline, counties like Skagit and Snohomish are in a tough financial spot, trying to keep their county-run COVID services running.
What are the next steps going into 2021 that need to be done to get adequate funding?
Not only do we need to extend these deadlines so local health districts and local communities can allocate and use those dollars for COVID-19 relief that they already have, it's clear that they're going to need additional dollars moving forward, and that's why a new package is so important.
Congresswoman Susan Del Bene says more federal funding for states' COVID relief could be on the horizon.
There is negotiations going on right now, bipartisan negotiations, so that makes me a lot more hopeful that we have a chance to get something through.
If we were able to get additional support dollars, I mean, it would just be a security to be able to provide the necessary services that we don't currently have right now.
In Skagit County, Kayla Lafferty, King 5 News.